Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video and episode. I've invited a special guest and I'm going to teach you some basic Arabic phrases together with him. So let's welcome him.
صباح الخير.
Sabah al-Khir. So this is my special guest, my husband Bola.
Hello, my name is Paula. I'm going to teach you Arabic. I'm from Egypt and we are going to learn in Egyptian dialect. Egyptian dialect is the most common and well-known dialect among Arabic dialects.
As you know, we've been to Egypt and I was learning some basic Arabic before we went there. So I am cheating a little bit right now because I already learned a little, but the pronunciation is so difficult, so it's almost like if I've never heard this before.
Let's start.
Good morning.
صباح الخير.
Sabah al-Khir. Goodbye.
مع السلامة.
Ma salama. Thank you.
شكرا.
Shukran. Please.
من فضلك.
Min fadlak. Where?
فين.
Fin. Fin. Toilet.
حمام.
Hammam. Yes.
أيوة.
Aywa. No.
لا.
La. I'm sorry.
أنا آسف.
Ana asif. Food.
أكل.
Akl. Restaurant.
مطعم.
Matam.
مطعم.
Mata'am.
Okay.
Better. Where is the restaurant?
فين المطعم؟
Fin al-matam. I want.
أنا عايز.
Ana eyes. Taxi.
تاكسي.
Taxi. I want a taxi, please.
أنا عايز تاكسي من فضلك.
Ana eyes taxi min fadlak. Good?
Yeah, good.
Shukran.
عفوا.
Sea.
بحر.
Bahar. Hotel.
فندق.
Funduk. Beach.
شاطئ.
Shata. The weather is nice.
الجو جميل.
El Gau Gamil. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this will be very useful for when you travel to Egypt or any other Arabic country. Comment below if you liked it and I will see you in my next video.
Like, share and subscribe.
Ma salama. See you.